Hey guys, this is Michael Parr from the SHOT Show 24 in Vegas at the booth from SSP Eyewear with Bill, and he's showing us now their products.
So this is our Methow Kit. It is a multi-lens kit, primarily for the sporting clay world, but also the three-gun shooting sports. Everything we make is a safety lens, so it is military grade, lifetime warranty, handled through us. It is RXable, so you can add your own prescription, and the nice thing about it is your prescription's protected behind a safety lens, so if you're like me and you drop things, you're not going to damage your prescription. The big thing in the shotgun world anyways is most of our competitors are not a safety lens. Ours are. So not only are they performance enhancing, they're also a safety product. We sponsor a number of youth athletes. We are involved with the Midway Endowment here in the United States, which is a fund that helps fund youth clubs and sporting teams.
I tried it out last summer. I picked it up last year here at the booth, so I can prove it. Give it a try, guys. Check it out. Buy your set. If you're not happy, tell me. I will give you back the money.